Hello my Toyota friends, Lionel Ragsdale here, and we'll be going on a closer look on a 2020 Toyota CHR. The specific model that we'll be talking about today will be a Toyota CHR 2020 limited model. Other than this nice, beautiful supersonic red color, you have 12 other color variations available in the CHR line. As you see right here, the limited model has an 18-inch sport turbine alloy wheel, and there's 4 different variations of wheels, and one of them being the steel wheel, obviously in the LE model, but the 3 other, yeah, perfectly nice alloy wheels. So before we go inside the vehicle and explain more terrific features, I just want to show you the size of the CHR. Very compact, great on gas mileage. You got 29 combined. Overall, you can park this vehicle anywhere. Alright, so now that we're inside the CHR, I just want to explain how Toyota goes a long way of taking care of their customers. And one of the ways that they do that is by having their safety being the top priority and standard feature in every Toyota line. So for example, the Toyota Safety Sense. The Toyota Safety Sense includes a pre-collision system, radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beam lights. And the way to control the lane departure alert and the radar cruise control is by these 2 buttons here. Radar cruise control on here. And we would like to welcome Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to these Toyota lines. On the 2020 CHR, this allows to facilitate hands-free movement inside the vehicle while driving. And this allows for the driver to have both hands on the wheel at all times. Safety first. Alright, and as we move towards the rear of the vehicle, we have the trunk. Lastly but not least, you have a 60-40 split where you can fold down forward both of the seats so you can have a flat surface for any type of necessity. If you need more room, if you need to lay down, remove this, and it also comes with your all-weather floor mats. So that's it, folks, for the Toyota CHR 2020 limited model. There's a lot more to see and a lot more to meet the eye. So come on down to Toyota Poway, the heart of San Diego. Stay Toyota.